What is metacognition? So I'm going to read out a definition from Jenny Livingstone first of all. She defines it as high order thinking involving active control over the cognitive processes engaged in learning. So what does that actually mean in practice? So it means that we're looking at the experience and regulation of learning in an attempt to create a toolkit for learners to use. So we're not so interested in the individual bits of data that learners acquire. That's kind of about their own learning journey. What we're interested in is how do they know what they know, and can they use that in a range of different settings to be able to apply that toolkit to really effectively learn whatever it is they want to learn on their own journey. So that being how we learn rather than what we learn is absolutely crucial to the understanding of metacognition in learning and here at the Outdoor School.